Okay, so this is the story that I think Sheba's been waiting for. Here we go. Popeyes is taking its chicken sandwich. She's like this over there, like, I'm so excited. So Popeyes is taking its chicken sandwich fandom to a whole new level, Sheba. It's the ugly Popeyes chicken sandwich sweater.
Oh, I want that one right there.
Okay.
I want that one.
Got you for Christmas. So you can buy it for $45 online, folks. And uglychristmassweater.com calls it the ultimate icebreaker for any holiday party. Now, if it's anything like the chicken sandwich itself, the sweater will sell out pretty quickly, especially when Sheba orders about 100 of them. Chesley, over to you.
I'm going on live right now.